Hello, Namaskar, and welcome to Sikkim Chronicle. The first Interbank Futsal tournament is likely to be scheduled on 13th and 14th of November at Futsal Arena in GMC. To highlight more on the event, we have the organizing team. Let me introduce Mr. Sonam Dorji Bhutia, the Circle Vice President of SBI, SC, and OBC Council. We also have Mr. Bhaskar Pradhan, who is the Model Vice President, and we are being joined by Rupendra Mukhya, Circle Organizing Secretary. So, welcome to Sikkim Chronicle. So, first and foremost, we just wanted to understand about the objective and more on the event.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartiest gratitude to Sikkim Chronicle for being our media partner and for this first Sikkim Inter-Bank Futsal Tournament organized by SBI, SC, and OBC Employees Council Sikkim Unit under Bengal Circle. And at the same time, I would also like to thank and congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Sri P.S. Gole sir, and all the hands and minds involved in creating such a heavenly indoor sports arena for all the sports lovers in the state. And talking about the tournament, well, the tournament will kick off on the 13th of November from 10 a.m. onwards. And this time we are playing knockout matches. There will be altogether 12 knockout matches, and on the first day there will be 9 matches on the 13th. And on the second day we'll be having 2 semi-finals and final match. And yes, altogether there are 13 teams locking horns and eyeing for the first winning trophy.
Would you briefly highlight on what is the aim and objective?
Talking about the aims and objective, but basically the main motive behind organizing this tournament is to bring all the bankers under one roof and share our joy and sorrow, and at the same time develop a sense of brotherhood and oneness amongst our bankers, and also to amplify our voices for our common goals. And as we all know that this pandemic has brought a lot of pain, anxiety, disbelief, and loss of lives in our banking fraternity. And with zero holidays, I must say, even during the lockdown period for the past couple of years. So basically, we wanted to, treat ourselves by organizing this tournament, and which I think will surely, help us know all the bankers much better, and develop, as I said, develop a sense of, brotherhood and oneness.
So banking is considered to be a very mentally taxing, profession. I mean, was this a need of an hour for the bankers like you?
Yes, surely. At this time, our banking industry is become a really a hectic schedule. We don't get a time even for our friends. So right by getting this tournament, we would like to bring all our bankers under the Sikkim fraternity, all the bankers under one roof, so that we can share our feelings, we can enjoy the moment. Most important is just to be happy for this moment. We can enjoy, we can surely make sure that by this tournament we will get self-belonging with our friends, colleagues. Because see, in our schedule we never get a time to get together with our friends, colleagues. So it's just one type of moment to keep by organizing this tournament, the other friend, the other banking fraternity, they will also have they will take they will also take a time, and by these skills we are actually getting fitter day by day, because organizing this tournament we are totally we are totally belong to this tournament, so we are making our physical fit. So this gives you everything
So everything. So can you tell about the prizes which the winner and the runners-up would walk with?
For the winner, we have kept 50,000 rupees, and for the runners-up, 25,000 rupees cash prize. Actually, cash prize was just sponsored by our guest of honor, Sri Tempa Getso Bhutia, Lepcha, sorry, and we are very thankful to him and everyone who sponsored us for the tournament.
So, how are you looking forward from the audience point of view, how would you like to make an appeal the people come and watch?
Okay, before appealing to the general public and all the bankers, I would like to mention here that on the 13th we have our respected MD, SBS, Sri Purba Wangdi Bhutia as our chief guest. And along with him, we have invited our regional manager, SBI, Sri Samdin Doje Lama sir, a DGM, Cisco Bank, and also, as Mr. Rupendra mentioned, the sponsor for the first prize, Mr. Temba Gaso Lepcha, a very popular social worker. So he'll be, all three will be as the guest of honor for 13th. And on 14th, we have invited Mr. Arun Haldar sir, and he's the vice chairman of National Commission of Scheduled Castes, and his post is equivalent to the status of Union Minister of the State. And he'll be gracing us on the 14th as the chief guest. And along with him, we have invited our honorable member of parliament, Sri Indrahang Subba, and the football icon, Mr. Baishung Bhutia sir, as the guest of honor. And yes, for appealing, I would like to request on behalf of all the organizing committee members, request all my viewers and all the bankers, their families, the sports lovers, their friends to come cheer their team and enjoy the matches. And please save the date. The date is date, time and venue. Date is 13th and 14th of November. Time will start from 10 a.m. onwards. And the venue, as you can see, is the Indo Sports Arena, GMC Devrali. Thank you very much.
So the bankers will be out of the cubicle for 2 days and will be locking their horns here at Futsal Arena in GMC area. Please mark the date 13th and 14th of November from 10 a.m. onwards. With Roman Gurung, this is Nirmal signing off for Sikkim Chronicle.